Hello, my name is Søren. I'm a global product manager here at UR, and today we'll take a closer look at the AI Accelerator. When you buy the AI Accelerator, this is what you get in the package. A getting started guide, which we'll follow in today's tutorial, a user manual containing all the steps you need to go through, and a calibration sheet for when calibrating or recalibrating the camera. Then we also have the 3D stereo camera from Orbec, the Gemini 335 LG. This is connected directly to the compute box. In the accessories box, we have a cable for connecting the camera, ties for cable management, the camera bracket, and some screws. Lastly, we have the compute box. We have the cables for powering it on. And here we have the embedded NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin in an industrial grade package, passively cooled. This is the brains of the cell. Beside this, we also need an external monitor, an HDMI cable, an external keyboard, and an Ethernet cable. All of this is to connect and control the compute box. Then we need a robot arm running Polyscope X, and a few tools, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, and an Allen key. Now we're ready to mount everything.